Today I will going to explain you a topic about the forest. In this topic we going to discuss about the Pakistan forest. Now one thing remember that this is the very important resource for every country. So why it is important? Because you know it's going to provide you wood, and you can say it's going to be important for your environment and the temperature. Even that the resource, you can say that air forest is said to be a lungs of the earth. Why? Because it's going to clean your air, and it's going to give you a clean air so you can live free in without the pollution. Okay, now in this slide you seeing that what is a forest? Definition of a forest. Anyone know? No. It's very easy because you know where is the community of trees where you can find the herbs and all these the plants and different type of the thing. You can say that the herbs and shrubs and these all things are found there. This is called the forest, and this going to what is the importance of that? They cover the, you can say, the large area, not a one or two trees we're going to talk about here. The forest is covered with the large areas with the fir trees, and it's going to provide you oxygen, water, soil. For example, you can see the Islamabad, Pakistan, the areas of that area we going to find the forest mainly, or the northern areas. These areas are covered with the forest. Okay, now the types of the forest. One thing remember, in Pakistan there are the two type of the forest, productive forest and now first we're going to discuss about the productive forest. These are the very natural forests. Okay, this is not planted by the people, it is the natural forest, and these their trees are very high and very close to each other. And other thing, they having the very commercial value, you can say used for the different purpose, for furnitures or different products were made from this. Okay, these forests are very important. One thing remember, productive forests are very important, and they're going to give you a, you can say, valuable wood. The other one is the protection forest. Protection forest is mean that the people going to plant these trees, and nearby the roads you can see these trees. Okay, that is the reason the other name was giving them the, but this giving them was the linear plantations. Okay, remember that the protection forests are also called the linear plantation because they are planted along the roadside, railways, and they don't have the commercial value. Very little, you can say, the commercial value. Mostly the people, you know very well, they use for the cleaning of the environment and such type of the things. Clean air we getting from these trees, and we are safe from the, you can say, the hot and the sunlight, these type of the things. Okay, in this map we going to continue this topic, and we see that different areas are cover the different forested area. You can easily search about that, for example, where the forest and all these things are here. Okay, important of the forest. Now we going to discuss main thing. One thing remember, the for example, why the forest is important. You know very well, everyone know that it going to clean your environment, it giving you a clean air, and clean, you can say, checking the pollution. And you, if they are you cutting the tree, it mean it's very harmful for your nature. Okay, and protecting the soil from erosion means that it's not going to, you can say, the soil remove. When you cutting the trees, soil will going to remove with the air or with the water, anything. Okay, so one thing remember, that forest is important for your, you can say, protecting from your pollution, and also you can say protecting the soil from erosion. Now next point is that why, you can say, the trees of the slopes of the hills also regulate the supply. When you are cutting the trees, well, it's going to damage. What are we going to discuss in the other topic? But one thing remember, on the hillside, you know, very northern areas, when the snow are melting or the too much rainfall, what going to happen? These trees going to stop them, the floods, and it's going to make that, you can say, the water regulate, and now you can save from the floods also. Okay, forests also provide the food and different type of the herbs. Okay, and these are the things are very important for us. Now we going to see other important things which are going to giving you here. For example, they are going to supply of food here. You getting the fruit also, and that you can use the wood for here, and the timber used for the construction. for your, you can say, the transportations, even the raw material used in the industries. So these are the importance. You remember these importance. These are the very important things. Already I told you, they giving you a map, or they ask you write down the importance, 2 or 3 lines you have to discuss about that, 2 or 3 points. It's enough for that. You write the importance. You can write any importance for this. Thank you so much. I hope you like our video.